It saddens me to see this deserted nest of the bulbul, because its eggs have either been broken or taken away. I don't know how someone can do this. How can someone destroy someone's house? We are destroying our beautiful environment on our own by cutting down trees and by harming birds, by breaking their eggs, taking away their young, destroying their nests. Just like the rest of the birds got scared from our environment, now it's their turn. We should be trying to protect them, instead we are harming them. Believe me, my heart is very sad.